Poco M7 Plus 5G has just been unveiled, featuring an impressive 7000 mAh mega battery. But let me share more about its other specifications. This device was launched specifically in India, and it somehow expands the company's M series lineup. In terms of design, it measures 8.4 millimeters in thickness, weighs 217 grams, and boasts an IP64 rating for resistance against water and dust, meaning it can withstand splashes. However, keep in mind that it will be a device from the entry-level series. On the screen, we actually have a 6.9-inch LCD panel with full HD resolution. The most remarkable aspect is the refresh rate of 144 Hz. This ensures a very smooth experience when running content. However, it seems somewhat excessive to have 144 Hz in an entry-level device. I honestly doubt there is any game capable of running at this quality. In cameras, it features a dual rear system with a 50-megapixel main sensor. Additionally, there is another camera that serves more as a marketing tool, purely decorative, so it's not something to focus on much. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel camera for selfies, which means it won't stand out significantly in this regard. However, the battery is the main highlight, boasting 7000 mAh. In addition, it supports fast charging at a power of 33 watts along with reverse charging at 18 watts through a cable, which means you can utilize this impressive battery as a power bank to recharge your friends' mobile phones. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 6 Series Gen 3 chip will be featured, which is quite impressive for an entry-level series device. Additionally, there are options available with up to 8 GB of RAM, LPDDR4X, and 128 GB of storage using UFS 2.2. This storage is even expandable with microSD cards. Honestly, for an entry-level series device, it's not bad at all. We will have to see what versions of RAM are available in different markets, or if all versions are released, as that will be crucial. In software, we'll have Android 15 and HyperOS. The company promises 2 major OS updates and 4 years of security patches, which is good for the entry-level series we've discussed. The Poco M7 Plus 5G's price in India starts at 13,999 rupees, roughly $168. Remember, prices differ here compared to there. Surely within a few days or maybe weeks, this device will start expanding globally to other regions. However, please let me know in the comments what you think about having such a large battery. Of course, there would be a need to test this battery because, sometimes the data can be impressive, but the actual use might disappoint.